Hi guys, so I guess what I found today. Well, not today, I've been playing on this road for a long time. So as you can see, I have a door, a small house, and some furnace, a crafting table, grass. What just happened? Did it just turn into a tree? Or I just placed a tree on my grass? Is it grassy? Oh no, I destroyed my grass. That's bad. This is my tree I grew. And this is a cave I don't want to go in yet. I only have leather armor. And this is a pig, which is going to be my breakfast. And I found 2 pink sheeps. You see that right here? This pink guy. Okay, so these are really rare. Like, I don't know how rare they were. So, I got them. And I got them with hard work. So I have some wheat, right? So I can feed them both and they'll have a kid. See? Another pink sheep. Me want mutton. Me like mutton. Hey guys. Look at the... Oh, the sheep. Let me seal that. Me want mutton. I need some light here, so... And that's all. I have to make torches fast. Now we'll just wait 1,000 hours. Let me check. Door. I have some light. If you dare break the door.